Hello everyone. In this lecture we learn about type of software testing. So there are three type of software testing. First one is a functional testing, second is a non-functional testing, and last one is a maintenance. So in the functional testing we can go for the check the functionality of the application, like we can check the fields of the application or all are the fields we can cover. We can check the elements, links, there are all functionality we can cover in functional testing, and we can do the functional testing for the application. And there are so many types of functional testing, like unit testing, integration testing, smoke testing, user acceptance testing, and globalization, localization. So there are so many. I can mention only few of the type of functional testing. There are so many, so we can learn each and every type of functional testing in upcoming videos. So what is the non-functional testing? So there are contained performance testing, endurance testings, load testing, volume testing, and scalability and usability. So there are the non-functional types. And last one is the maintenance. So there are regression testing and then maintenance. So we can do in maintenance, regression, and maintain our application. So first of all, what is functional testing? So we can completely idea, you get basic idea about functional testing. So what non-functional testing? So in the non-functional testing we can consider like what is the performance of our application, like how many they can load we can accept in our application, how our application is acceptable traffics, like how many users are able to log in our application, traffic accept in our application, and how long term time where our application is working for the long time. So there all scenarios are covered in non-functional testing. And last one is a maintenance. So in the maintenance, some like we can go for the regression if our application is deployed and our application is released, and after the some time, uh, after the release sometime, we can go for the testing. So in that scenario we can do regression and maintenance. Okay, so can give you some brief idea about that all. Wait a minute. Okay, so functional testing is a type of software testing that validate the software system against the functional requirement and specification. Yes, we can discuss this. So what in the system against we can do functional testing like requirement and specification. So what was the requirement? So we get requirement from the client, so they can give the requirement and the specification, so we can check accordingly that requirement and specification. So what was the purpose the functional testing? So test each function of the software application and provide appropriate input, like we have a one field in a like username or password field, like a phone number, so we can put in the valid value in that fields and check the how they work and verifying the output against the functional requirement. So okay, you can get it point. If you can any doubt you can comment below. Okay, so next one is a non-functional testing. Okay, non-functional testing. So non-functional testing is defined as a type of software testing to check non-functional aspect like performance, usability, reliability. Okay, so this all type we can learn in upcoming videos. So it is a design to test readiness of the app of the system as well as non-functional parameters which are never addressed by functional testing. So they both are very different, functional or non-functional testing. Okay, the last one is a maintenance. So once a system is deployed, it is in a service for a years or decades. During this time, the system and the operational environment is often corrected, changed, or extended. Testing that the provide during this phase is called as maintenance testing. So basically, after the couple of years, we can did any changes. That we have like Amazon website, so we can put some data, and each and every time we can update the our website. Like we have couple of product are coming in, we can update that products. So this cycle is continue running. So after the couple of year, we need to check the our website or our application is correctly fine or working fine or not. So we can go for the maintenance, and we can read in the maintenance testing like regression testing. So not going for full regression testing, we can check the that impacted areas on that modification. So that's all thing are we can do, and we can learn in upcoming videos what is the regression testing, what is the functional type of functional testing, what is the non-functional type. Okay guys, so thank you for watching.